Hey guys, for today's video we're just gonna jump right into it. So what I'm doing right now is blow drying my old cornrows. Guys, I'm sorry, but I filmed this video while we were still in quarantine, on lockdown and yeah, like all the salons were closed. Okay, so now I don't know why I was laughing, guys. I just felt like I looked funny. I looked like an alien. But anyway, I'm combing my edges back in so that it looks flawless. Right, so I'm gonna be using the Got to Be Glued water resistant hair glue, the yellow bottle. I'm aware that there's the yellow bottle and the black bottle, but when I got into the shop I just bought the yellow bottle because in all the tutorials that I've watched, I've only seen the yellow bottles. So yeah, now I'm gonna put it around the perimeter of my hairline, and honestly I don't know how many layers I put, but okay, let's keep watching. And now I am blow drying it just so it dries faster. Alright, so now I'm using the Got to Be Glued free spray. I don't think you really need it, but it's just that I like things. I just wanted it to, you know, like give it extra hold because I didn't want it to come off, and that's why you're gonna see that I'm really putting a lot, and I don't think it was needed, honestly. Okay, so as you can see, the wig cap has a band that needs to be cut out, so I'm gonna be cutting it off because you want it to be flat. Okay, but as you guys can see, I am using the wrong scissors. I feel like you need the, you know, those sharp ones. I don't know what they are called, but you guys, I think you guys know what I mean. So yeah, I'm really struggling to cut it off. Bear with me, guys, bear with me. Okay, so I found a way to cut it from the side and it was much better. I should have stopped right there, but honestly I don't know why I kept going on. Oh my gosh. I am so grateful that I have all this on camera, because the next time I do my wig I know exactly what to do. And for those of you that are yet to do this, you guys should just honestly learn from all the mistakes in this video. Just take note. So at this point in time, I knew that I went wrong somewhere, but it is what it is. And now I'm gonna go in again with the free spray just for extra hold. Oh, you guys should really be careful. I just feel like I put in a lot of product just because I was scared for it to fall off, but I don't think it should be that much. Do you understand? So like I said, if you're a little bit impatient, then you are gonna need your blow dryer just so it dries faster. So now we're gonna put on the unit. Just be careful not the hair to touch the glue. I mean, you don't want it to be messy, you know, you feel me? And there we have it. So now I'm just gonna position it and just put it in place. Alright, so I did not have curl activator cream, and I'm using, if you're wondering, this is water mixed with conditioner. It also just works fine, to be honest. And so yeah, you guys are gonna see now. I'm gonna zoom in the wig. I did not bleach the knots, they are not bleached, guys. I was just so excited to put it on. I don't know why, but you should definitely bleach your knots because I didn't know that it was going to be visible. It's very much visible, like when you take a selfie, and it's not just looking natural. And I don't know, like you kind of want it to be natural, you know, like even when you take a selfie, so that it doesn't look so weird. But yeah, I mean, you can even use a foundation, guys. You don't really need bleach. It was looking a little bit messy by the ear, but guys, at this point I was just stressed. I was stressed, and this part kept on coming off. everything is slowly but surely turning out to be okay. And this is mousse that I'm using for my baby hair. Baby hair, I don't know. I decided to cut some hair just to make them short, you know, just to achieve a nice look, I guess. There we go. Oh my gosh, I decided to cut some more. I don't know if this was, you know, the right thing to do. Alright, so you guys can see that I was starting to get excited a little bit, but although like I just felt like something was still missing. I think I didn't know where to put the line. Like I didn't know where it would look nice. Alright, so this serum just makes the hair smooth and shine a little bit. So I guess you do need it. Oop! Okay, I guess the music was really great. Alright, so now I'm just gonna blow dry the hair because it was a little bit wet. And then now I'm gonna use the hair strengthening argan oil spray. It gives strength and long lasting hold to the hair, and also it's for all hair types. Hey guys, so I just finished installing my wig. This is my first time. Of course I'm gonna keep practicing until I get better, and it took me about an hour and 15 minutes. Now I'm gonna go in and do my makeup, but I'm not done though. I'm waiting for this part to dry and then I'll see what I'm gonna do with it. And also about my baby hairs, I'm not good at that, but also I don't really like, you know, those baby hairs that they go in a pattern. I'm not a fan of those, so I'm really fine with this. Yeah, so this is it. It wasn't so hard, guys. You know, things look really hard or they sound hard when someone is trying to expound to you. When you watch a lot of tutorials, you're gonna get better. So I feel like for my first time, I did a great job. What do you guys think? Alright you guys, so I went off camera to finish off the rest of my face, and yeah, there we go. So this is it. Thank you so much for watching. If you loved it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up as it helps the channel. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.